everyone, it is Tanya. So we're going to do an unboxing for your creative studio. This is the March box and it is bee theme. Y'all, I'm so sorry about not having this to you guys a little bit sooner. We had a big storm and it knocked my internet out for about a week and a half, so kind of trying to play catch up. So here we go. Of course you have the lovely card, you know, and it has it's gonna say thank you for your purchase. This is really cute. It says be happy on there, and then we have what's in the box, and I'm just gonna dump everything out like this, right, and put the box over there. Well, that might block my light, so we'll put it right here. Okay, all right. So this is what we have, right? And guys, don't look up there. I'm working on another project, so my desk is kind of messy. Let's get the, oh, look at this. It says dazzling flowers. And I don't know if they're stickers or they don't say that they're stickers or anything like that, but this is how they look. Really pretty. Let me see. Do they peel off or anything? They don't seem to peel off. So I don't know if they're stickers. I don't think they're stickers. But you could probably like cut them out if you're into fussy cutting. I'm not, but you could definitely cut them out. But then you could also use them as doors. You know, wouldn't that be pretty to back them on another piece of acetate and use them as doors in a folio or a journal? Wouldn't that be pretty? That's pretty. Really pretty. I love these. Okay, and then we have, of course, we have some washi tape, right? And the washi tape is, hold on, let me see if I can swatch it out for you guys so you guys can see real quick. Just so happen to have a piece of coffee dyed paper right there laying. Okay. Uh-oh. You guys see that? That's what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see that. But it's really pretty. Has some bees and some flowers on it. So put that over there. Then we have some stamps. I think we have... Oh, okay. So we have a bee. 2 bees in a honeycomb. And then this is a... Oh, cool. That's a honey jar. Cute. And it's another honey jar, right? These would be cute, like if you're making a Winnie the Pooh journal, I think, as well. Cute. I love those. Okay. And then we have a big stamp. Okay, anyway. Then we have this beautiful one right here. Can you see that? It is a flower with a little bee right there. These would go perfect if you're making a bee journal. I mean, really, really pretty. Then you have your masking tape. This is like, you guys know what this is, like, for, oh my gosh, y'all, what am I trying to say? This is for decoupaging. That's what I was trying to say. But yeah, really pretty, right? One day I'm going to have to give it a try. This would be pretty if you're doing, like, you know, decoupage on an envelope and stuff like that. Or you could probably even put this on, like, what is that? I see people decoupage like their those drawers you get from Amazon, or what is that, IKEA, the wooden ones. They do that with that, right? Okay, then we have some stickers, right? They're just some really pretty vellum stickers, right? I'm trying not to make it blurry. Come on, focus. Okay, there you go. And then you have some cards. Hold on, let me open this real quick. Alright. Uh-oh. Guys, I'm being very clumsy with my opening today. I'm sorry. Oh, these are gorgeous. Look at these. They're labels. Okay. And I don't want to take them all the way out, but I guess I could take them out and put them in here, but really, really pretty labels. Can you see those? Then you got some, this says from, and then you have, I love this one. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? Just really pretty. And then you have some little word ones, which I absolutely love, word labels. And then you have a number 1. A lot of labels. Those are cool. And then you have, I think this is just a sticky pad notepad, I think. Yeah, that's what it's just, a little pad with a lot of different, oh, you got some vellum in here, right? And then you have some like sheets of paper, 20-pound copy paper, right? But still, use it for collaging and stuff like that. Move this out the way. Okay. Ooh, then you got this one. This is a sticky note bee theme. It would be a pretty tag. Wouldn't that be pretty? Come on. That would be pretty. You could probably do that. Make a tag. Look at that. That would make the perfect tag. You just back it on something a little bit harder, and then you maybe put the eyelet right here, and then they can write right here, or you could put the eyelet up here, and then put your ribbon and all that. Love that. Okay, that's an idea, Tanya. That's an idea. And then we have the paper. So we have 6 sticker paper, 6 vellum, 6 art paper, and 6 pattern paper. Okay. Oh, this is a pretty thing in the back, right? That's really pretty. Okay. So here we go. Got the pattern, got some vellum. Look at this. Love this one. Ooh, look at that one. That's pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Pretty. These are all gorgeous pieces of paper. Look at that. Just pretty. I love all of those, right? Oh, what's this one? Oh, regular. And this is the vellum. Right? Okay. So that's that. And I'm missing, there's a few more things, guys. You got a lot of stuff in these boxes. We have, ooh, guys, look at that. It's a charm. Isn't it pretty? So pretty. It's a bookmark. But you know me, you could always just put an eyelet on it, on something, and put a jump ring and add it as a charm to your journals. Can you see that? Isn't that pretty? So pretty. Love that. And then we have written memories. I think these are just like snippets of papers. Yeah. Look. Cool. Love these. Okay. And then you have this. And this looks like those postage stamp things. Right? It's like a little booklet. Oh, look at that, y'all. Look at the vellum. And that's so pretty. Okay, so you have quite a bit of vellum, and then you have the regular. Right? Pretty. Then this is the back part. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love these. Okay, guys. So I'm going to see what we can make, and I'll be back. Okay, guys. So we're going to make an easy folio. I mean, I'm going to try my best to simplify this as much as possible so that you guys can just make a folio for whatever you want to do, okay? So, we have 3 pieces of 110-pound white cardstock. You can use whatever color cardstock you want, but I am going to use white. I'm going to literally just fold the first piece in half like this, right? Okay. So I'm going to fold it in half. Now I know that I am going to want a gusset right here, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my middle line, and I am going to take it to my scoreboard. Now, this is the scoreboard with all the, numbers on it, and it's very old and grungy. I use it for everything. So I'm going to take the middle line, and I'm going to line it up with the number 1, okay? And you can do number 2, number 3, whatever you want to do. I'm going to line it up to number 1, and I'm going to, you see how it has 1 on each side? This one on this side is 1/6, 1/4. On this side it's 3/4 and 5/6. I think that's what that says. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my score, my bone folder, and I'm going to do it like this on the middle line that I did. Then I'm going to take, hold on, let me bring you guys in a little bit. All right. Okay, so then I'm going to take from that middle line, I'm just going to go over 2 lines. So it's going to be 1, 2. Is that 2? Yes. And then on this one, I'm going to do 1, 2. Okay, so that made me have a gusset of, okay, so that's a 1/2 inch gusset. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it like this, right? And then I'm going to fold it like that. So there you go, right? And it's even right there, okay? Okay guys, so I have the other sheet. So this is what we have. I said it was going to be easy. Didn't I say that? Okay, I'm going to do my best. Okay, and so we're going to fold this one in half, right? And we're going to cut this off. Okay, literally I am cutting not even I'm not even cutting 1/6 of an inch off. I'm like literally this little baby piece right there. That's what I cut off, okay? So I have 2 pieces, okay? Then what I'm going to do is I am going to take this one. I think I want it to hit right here. So that leaves maybe 1 inch away from my spine, okay? So if I have 1 inch away from my spine, I'm going to take it, I'm going to mark this right here. I am going to put a gusset in there of maybe 1/4 of an inch, right? So I'm going to take it to my scoreboard. I'm going to mark that. I'm going to mark the lines right there. I'm hoping I am making sense, guys, because you guys know that I'm not a real big measurer. I don't really measure a lot. I kind of just like eyeball things. And I know that bugs people. You know, I know that bugs a lot of people, but that's how I do it. It's easier for me that way. Okay, so that is going to get glued right here. Right? Can you guys see that? That's going to get glued right there. Okay? And so we'll have that. And then this piece, I was thinking, yo, I did say it was going to be easy, didn't I? Didn't I say it was going to be easy? So we're going to do the exact same thing for this piece. And then the last piece, what we're going to do is we're just going to add a pocket right here. And we're just going to cut it out, add a pocket on this side. We'll leave this blank. Maybe. I don't know. We might just add some pockets right there. And then we'll add 2 pockets in the inside. Is that easy? I think that's easy. Well, easy would have been just like this, right? That would have been easy. I could have just did that. You could just do that. You could just stop right there and then add a pocket and a pocket and a pocket and a pocket. You can just do that. And you can add a pocket and a pocket. You could just do that. You don't have to do any of this. I'm just giving you guys an idea. So this is what we have so far, right? I'm going to zoom you out a little bit. Okay, this is what we have so far. And I said easy, right? So all we're going to do is we're going to add a pocket right here. This is our last sheet, right? We're going to add a pocket right here. It's going to be like this. And you know what? If you want it to make it to where it's easier to slide stuff in, just cut your pocket a little bit. Leave like maybe 1/8 of an inch on each side of your pocket. Score that so that you can have flaps so that your pocket can fit, you know, so that your tag or whatever you put in there can fit nice in your pocket and it's not so it won't stick, right? So you're going to add that. You're going to do the exact same thing over here. Add a pocket over here. We're going to leave these 2 blank just in case you want to add a place to put pictures. You can totally use this shape and cut out something out of your dies, like a square, oval, rectangle for like a picture frame or something like that. And then we're just going to add 2 pockets right there. That's it. That's all we're going to do. And we're going to add 2 eyelets so we can make a little notebook, right? Okay, I'm going to add everything. I'm going to add my pockets. I am going to ink everything up. I'm going to put my papers where I want them to be. And I'm going to sew around everything. You do not have to sew. I'm going to come back and show you what I have, okay? First, I'm going to show you what I have with it just being white, okay? So then you guys can kind of see, okay? Okay, guys, so I have cut these right here, and this is going to go right here, and I even left a little piece right here. This one's going to go right here. This one's going to go right here. All right, guys. Before I get interrupted, what I was saying is we are going to put a pocket right here. So I have this leftover sheet. All I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it just like this. I am going to trim that off. And this is what I have left, right? I'm going to trim it off. I already trimmed it off, right? I have these 2 pieces. I'm going to put it right here. So what I'm going to do is always put mine up to the line right here. I draw a line right here, a line right here. That way I'll score this, that way I'll have my little slip, my gussets on the side so that it'll slip in easy. Do this one the same way, right? Get that out the way. Do this one the same way, okay? There you go. And then you have your 2 pockets, okay? So now that I have all of that, I am going to ink up everything. I am going to mat everything with what the paper that I want. And then I'm going to sew. And then I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, guys, before I start to mat and everything, what I wanted to tell you guys is that I'm going to use the washi tape to reinforce my spine. So I'm going to use that too. Okay, and then also I'm going to mat this first and then sew around it. I'm not going to glue everything down, and so I'm going to sew everything on it separate. It just makes it easier for me to do that, okay? Okay, guys, this is what I have. This is the front. This is the back. This is the spine. I put an elastic right here. I was going to add elastic right here, but then I decided not to. I reinforced it with more washi. I collaged the papers because they weren't big enough by themselves to just fit on the cover and on the back. So when you open it up, you have it something like this. This is the other side, okay? So the first panel, all we have is some of the things that were in the box. Blank. Then you have this pocket right here. This is a traveler's notebook that I had in my stash. I just stamped on it and with the stamp in the box and used one of the label stickers. And then this is another thing. So I kind of messed up, so I added 2 pockets to give you guys kind of like to show you guys kind of like what you could do. So I added the smaller and then the bigger pocket, and then we just have some things from the box. And then this is the card from the box. I just backed it with white paper and sewed around it. And this part is blank and this part is blank. So yeah, that is it. And then I think I'm going to tie it with this, right? And yeah, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check out your creative studio. God bless. Bye.